Today we have a most interesting project. We have this jacket over here and sleeveless dress. So we're gonna take the sleeves from the jacket and we're gonna put him right where the sleeve is. We're gonna have to alter this, make it a proper armhole, move some buttons over a little bit, and make it a dress only with no jacket. Let's see how it's gonna go. Now this dress is after the fitting. We're gonna have to taper a little bit here. This is gonna be where the sleeve connects, and since this was a jacket sleeve, we're gonna have to taper it approximately this much. And it's gonna be a gorgeous winter dress. So now this dress is finished. It has beautiful sleeves and it's all lengthened, gorgeous, and brand new looking. And the jacket now becomes with no sleeves. Maybe we're gonna make a vest out of it. Welcome to La Moda. Only at La Moda we could do beautiful projects like this.